Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Today I'm going to show you what's blooming in my cotton garden. I've got roses, peonies, irises, but I had to go back in the house and get my camera so you can see it. Okay, here's the irises. They pretty. Get some more put in here. They really look pretty at night, in the evening, in the shade. Okay, guys, I'm under this trellis, which I have my New Dawn rose. A few of them have opened. I'll show you. But let's go to the center. See my dragonfly? My husband did that for me. Okay, look. These are the yellow, tall, bearded irises. I had one rhizome and I cut it up. And you can see I got plenty of them now. But they're pretty. It's hard to have a cutting garden because I don't want to cut the flowers. But that's, we've got daisies. Let's see, they got some buds coming up. So they'll bloom when the butterfly bush blooms. And I put these sedums in here. I do have one dahlia, little small one that came back. So I'm excited about that. So that looks like that might have to be moved out the way from the sedums I put here. And then we got yellow coneflowers. They haven't bloomed yet. And another daisy. And then of course this is the sedum. I'm not sure the exact name, but you can see how it spreads. And it blooms yellow. But the only thing is if you got weeds in it and you pull, you end up with the gap like that. But it'll get itself back together. But before we go over and look at the roses, let's take a look at what's going on with the peonies. Oh, look, here's also the roses. New Dawn. It's supposed to be a pale pink color. Yeah, there you can see. That one's about finished. But you can see all the buds. All the buds. And look, my peony opened up today. I didn't come over here this morning. But look, aren't they pretty? Aren't they pretty? And then I see you got the pretty white. This one, some of them seem like they have a little tinge of pink in it. Can y'all see that? Over here, I've got some oriental lilies. I think it was 6 bulbs, and so far only 2 came up. And then right over here, I have a coral peony. I hope it comes up. But look, isn't that pretty? This is going to be my coral bed. My peony bed. I don't know if my peonies are too close together or what. But I do cut these. And I have to leave them outside for a while because I don't know if you know. I don't see it on this bud, but usually, there we go. Ants love these. I don't know about where everybody else lives, but we also have, let me show you what it looks like. cicadas that are out. Isn't that just beautiful? Okay, I have another sedum down here I planted, but you'll see next year it'll be filled in. And I did plant some leftovers in patience. Oh no, that looked kind of raggedy, but we'll see. I didn't want to throw it away, but as you know, I do some holding, and there's a plant in here. I don't know what it is, and it ain't done nothing, so I'm giving it this week. This week is going to be warm, and see if it does anything. If not, it's got to go. These are purple coneflowers and some of the tall verbena, purple ones. I don't plant them, they just come up, and I just let them because they're so pretty. But I wish they would come up where I want them to be. You see, there's some more purple irises. I thought I had a white one in here, but I'm not sure. Don't see it yet. Isn't that pretty? And then this is just a mum. I didn't want to throw that away either, so I threw it in the ground. And I got some more daylilies over there. I'm not sure what color they are, but I think I also have a bearded iris. Yeah, as you can see, this is how you tell the difference. Okay, see this long, strappy leaf? That's the tall bearded iris. This is the Siberian iris, at least that's what I call it. And then this is the daylily, so daylily kind of flops over. All right, let's go over here, and I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the roses. Look at that, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And guess what? I can't cut it. Can't bring myself to cut it, y'all. Isn't that terrible? A cutting garden where you don't want to cut your flowers. But let's look at the roses up close. Isn't that a pretty one? And then this one. Oh, this is with the purple salvia. That's so pretty. I was going to get rid of this rose, and husband doctored it up. It's still got a little yellow on the leaves. I don't know what his problem is, but this is Lady Shallot. And these are just a generic, I guess you call it, coral knockout roses. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. And I think it looks good with my foxglove. There you go. You can see it a little better there. And then these are my dahlias. They won't bloom till later on. I had 5, but lost one. But that tells me that they like it here, so I can get some more. But yeah, here are my salvias. They're just starting on. I want to get another one to put over here under right there. I hear something in the woods, y'all. And right here. And then I think this bed will be complete. These are poppies. I have no luck with poppies. Seeds, plants, corms, whatever they grow on, roots. But we'll see how this goes. Okay. But yeah, guys. I'll give another view over here, and you can see my little she shed. I think I need to close it up. But yeah, need some more color over there. I just left those gladiolas just so I can have something to cut. But tomorrow, I'm going to come over and cut some flowers, y'all. I didn't bring my clippers, so I can't do it now. I don't know why. Didn't bring my clippers. But there you go.